Hello, Internet people. Today I would like to share with you what I've been doing this summer. And pretty much since the spring, I've been helping the West Virginia Mask Army. It's a nonprofit organization that makes filtered masks and they donate them to institutions that request them, anything from a hospital to a nursing home to a school. And I just think it's a really cool organization. And I'd like to show you guys the really nice way that we've been making these masks. They're called Patricia style masks. And they're made out of furnace filters, so HVAC filters. Because even though it hasn't been tested, it's the theory that because these types of filters can filter bacteria, viruses, and other pollen, etc., that it's potentially more helpful against fighting the COVID virus. And as we all know, it sucks. It is no fun right now anywhere. So please check this out. You can make a mask in under 10 minutes, and you can make 22 masks with one filter. So we'll go to voiceover. I hope you enjoy this, and I'll see you at the end. So it is voiceover time. What you will need is a filtrate filter. We've been using the 1500s. You will need some elastic and pipe cleaners. So once you get that, you're gonna open up the filter and you're gonna disassemble it. So how you do that is watch your fingers because it will cut you. I've been cut. It sucks. There are more efficient ways to do this, but I just think it's peaceful. So you peel off all of the corners, and then you're going to peel off. Be careful peeling because it can tear up the filter. So you just carefully take it apart. Take off the outside layers. You're going to carefully take off the metal chicken wire that's on the top and bottom. That's pretty much what it is. And then you're going to carefully peel off the glue. It's kind of tedious. The next thing we're going to do is cut. So if you look at the top, and the tops are usually deformed with slits in them, cut that piece off. Then you cut 9 rows down and cut in between the 9th and the 10th row. And that is going to make the mask tall enough. So we want to make sure it's tall enough that we can put our pleats in it and that those open up and cover the nose and the chin. So 9 rows down, cut, and just make your way through. So the next thing you do, if you fold them up, you measure 7 inches and cut 7 inches. And that's going to be the width of the mask. So the height is going to be 9 rows down and the width will be 7 inches. Then you want to cut your elastic, and that's Griffin there, being Griffin. And about 7 inches is the same for the elastic, at least the elastic that I have. Obviously, if the elastic is thicker or more stretchy, then you will make those probably a little smaller or bigger accordingly. The next part, I actually just recently learned how to sew. I got my first sewing machine ever this Christmas. I use binder clips, and I put the pipe cleaner in the first layer, and then I put in the 2 pieces of elastic to go around the ear, clip them up on the top with binder clips, then run it through the machine. Then after that, you make 3 pleats upward, and you binder clip those. I always have the bottom facing in so it can fold upward, so I can put the elastic in it for the ears. And that needs to be about 3.5 inches wide as the whole mask. The whole mask should be 3.5 inches wide. And then you just sew down the sides. What they said it's best to do 3 or 4 reverse back stitches where the elastic goes in to the mask, so that way people can pull it on and off, and then you're done. See, it looks just like a normal mask you would buy at the store, and that is it. So here's what the mask looks like. I can make 22 masks from that filter project. Again, to correct me, it was 3.5 inches tall, not wide, after you add in your pleats. Sorry, my camera's all over the place. So when you're done, you can see they're pretty nice. You've got your little nose guard, and the pleats help stretch out over the face, and they cover the face. I think they're super cool and comfortable, and you can wear them multiple times. So you'll put the slick side toward your face, and the stringy side will go on the outside. And that's pretty much it. I will link the Mask Army down below so you can check them out. Feel free to donate. Or if you live in West Virginia, you can volunteer to make some masks. And so thanks for watching. Feel free to like, subscribe, share, whatever you want. You can follow me on Instagram. It's also down below. So I'll see you next time. Bye!